Synapses is the junction between two neurons. Now, neurons never touch each other. As you can see, they are not touching each other. The junction, now this is known as the gap or the junction in between them, are called synapses. Now, the electrical impulses travel along the first axon. The, this triggers the nerve endings of the presynaptic. Now, this is the presynaptic neuron to release chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. Now, neurotransmitters from the vesicles which fuse with the presynaptic membrane. The neurotransmitters diffuse across the synaptic gap and bind with the receptors molecule on the membrane of the second neuron, which is known as the postsynaptic neuron. This stimulates the second neuron to generate an electric impulse that travels down the second axon. The neurotransmitters are then destroyed to prevent continued stimulation of the second neuron, which would cause repeated impulses to be sent. Synapses ensures that impulses only travel in one direction, avoiding confusion within the nervous system if impulses were traveling in both directions. As this is only part of the nervous system where messages are chemical as opposed to electrical, it is the only place where drugs can act to affect the nervous system.